In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a page in Foxit Reader. Whether you're working on a report, organizing a presentation, or simply managing your digital documents, knowing how to insert pages easily can save you a lot of time and effort. So, let's dive in and see how it's done. First, begin by opening your PDF document in Foxit Reader. Once your PDF is loaded and you can see your pages in front of you, direct your attention to the left-hand pane. Here, you'll find thumbnails representing each page of your document. This thumbnail view is a handy feature that allows you to navigate through your document visually. It simplifies the process by showing a miniature version of each page, right at your fingertips. Now, identify the specific page after which you'd like to insert a new page or series of pages. Once you've found the right spot, right-click on the thumbnail of that page. By doing this, you'll open up a context menu. In this menu, look for the option labeled Insert Pages. Clicking this will bring up several choices for inserting your new page or pages. At this point, you'll need to decide the source of your new pages. Foxit Reader provides various convenient options for you. You can opt to insert a page from an existing file or choose pages from a folder. If you're working on another project simultaneously, you can even bring in pages from other open files. For those who prefer to scan documents directly, there's an option to insert a page using a scanner. Alternatively, if you've copied a page to the clipboard, you can paste it directly into your document. And for a simple, fresh start, you can choose to insert a blank page. Each option caters to different needs, so choose the one that suits your situation best. Once you've selected your source, follow any on-screen prompts. These prompts will guide you through selecting the exact pages you need and confirming the precise position for their insertion, whether that's before or after the currently highlighted page. Paying attention to these details ensures that your document maintains the order and flow you desire. Finally, after adjusting all the settings to your preference, click OK to finalize the insertion of your new page or pages. Upon completion, take a moment to review your document to make sure everything is in place as you intended. The changes should now be visible, seamlessly integrated with the existing content. And there you have it! Inserting pages using Foxit Reader is straightforward and efficient. This function can be incredibly useful as you manage and organize your digital documents. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you feel more confident in handling your PDF needs with Foxit Reader.